Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And guys, before I begin, just to let you know, I will be announcing the 5 lucky winners of the HONOR Choice True Wireless Earbuds giveaway. The names will be listed below the video, which I have left the link for in the description box below. Today I'll be sharing a quick unboxing, quick setup, a couple of tests and my verdict on one of HONOR's latest offerings, following the massive success of the highly impressive and still one of the best affordable all-rounder laptops, the MagicBook 2020, which originally featured the AMD Ryzen 3500U chipset, and I reviewed it earlier this year. HONOR brings us another set of magical 14, 15 and Pro laptops. These were launched on the 4th of September alongside the fantastic HONOR Watch GS Pro, which I also recently reviewed on the channel. And a bunch of other incredible HONOR products were launched. Here in front of me I have the latest HONOR MagicBook Pro, which released on the 7th of September, and the HONOR MagicBook 14-inch, which will be available to buy as of the 21st of September 2020. I have been playing with both of these for some weeks now, and today I'll be sharing my thoughts on the HONOR MagicBook 14, which is an upgraded, more powerful version of the earlier MagicBook 14 2020 and boasts the AMD Ryzen 4500U processor, enhanced performance, improved battery life, and 512GB internal storage, and some new fantastic features. Priced at €749, and the 15-inch model will be available to buy as of sometime in October for €699. I will leave the link for these in the description box below as and when they become available. And in the box we have a warranty card and some user guide, a USB-C power adapter, a 65-watt Type USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and the latest HONOR MagicBook 14 with AMD Ryzen 5 4500U mobile processor, measuring at 322.5 in length, 214.8 in width, and 15.9 millimeters in height, and weighing at around 138 kilograms. It is thin, light, portable and durable. I have the beautiful space grey, and it is also available in mystic silver. It has a beautiful azure blue chamfer decorative beveled edge. It is very attractive, slick and looks premium at the same time. It boasts solid aluminium chassis and a range of ports too. Check these out. On the left we have a USB Type-C port, USB 3.0 Type A port and a HDMI port. Here on the right we have a USB 2.0 Type A port and a 3.5mm audio jack. And here at the bottom guys we have plenty of vents which allow the laptop to breathe, and we also have a set of speakers down here. And once again we have a comfortable, quiet, full-sized keyboard, and the touchpad is spacious and works great. We also have the backlighting, which automatically turns on when you're using the keyboard. And here we have the pop-up webcam, a really cool feature which was introduced on the original HONOR MagicBook, and my personal favourite. It's so handy and so cool, yet discreet, and can be tucked away when not in use. Another favourite which HONOR has brought over is this built-in power button, which now has a very effective and convenient fingerprint scanner built in, allowing us to log into this beauty without much effort and a simple tap. We have a beautiful bright 14-inch 84% screen to body display with a 16:9 aspect ratio, 1920x1080 resolution, ultra narrow bezels and TUV Rhineland low blue light technology. All this allows for immersive, comfortable to view and true to life imagery even when under direct sunlight. Now guys, this means we can use this little bad boy both indoors and outdoors, on the go, wherever we are. Movies, videos, photos and games all look, play and perform incredibly well in almost all scenarios.
And I will have your money in full, I promise you. You got 72 hours. After that, I choke you to death.
The MagicBook features stereo speakers which output very decent audio.
Who's the American?
Seems nice. I invited him to the dinner.
Anything you dream of, you can have it. Look like you saw ghosts. I'm vengeance.
The laptop can be charged or used as a charger via the single USB-C port. We have an amazing 56 watt-hour battery capacity and it charges at a super fast rate thanks to the 65 watt Type-C power charger. And we can expect around 50% charge in around 35 minutes and receive around 10.5 hours of video playback from a single full charge. This, guys, of course is dependent on the resolution quality of the videos or movies etc. we are watching. Guys, we also have Microsoft Windows 10 Home pre-installed and 1 month free trial of the Office 365. We can instantly run multiple apps thanks to the ultra-fast SSD storage drive that has an up to 5 times faster read speed than a standard SATA SSD drive. HONOR's MagicBook 14 features an innovative and efficient fan blade design, which is designed to reduce noise and increased heat dissipation. It contains a single internal fan and I've not experienced any heat up, lag or slowdown at all whilst using this. The laptop is light in weight and looks and feels premium. It is quite solid and HONOR honestly has once again done a great job. HONOR also brings us multi-screen collaboration, which is fantastic, allowing us to cross-collaborate between our HONOR or Huawei smartphone and the MagicBook with a simple tap. This allows us to share our smartphone screen and files on the MagicBook. And as always, for those of us who love a bit of benchmark scoring, well, these are very impressive. Check this out on the screen in front of you. It's powerful enough to handle almost everything I've thrown at it, including heavy graphical gaming. The battery is juicy and from a full charge it easily lasts me a full day, allowing me to comfortably browse the net, stream a movie or two, edit videos, social media stuff, YouTube, gaming, etc. It does everything it should and more, and once again guys, I'm in love with yet another HONOR product. I without hesitance highly recommend it. If I really had to nitpick, I guess it would have to be the name. One can easily confuse this MagicBook with the previous one we saw earlier this year, but the previous model I guess is currently unavailable. It did sell like hotcakes, so I'm not sure if HONOR's going to be replacing it with this upgraded version or if we'll be given the choice to buy either or. In summary guys, here we have a highly impressive, perfect everyday laptop, which is one of the best value for money laptops you can buy. It'll work well for everyone, including business, students, gaming, etc. And it handles word processing, gaming, streaming, web browsing tasks and more perfectly well. It's packed with some great specs and features, and once again, as did the previous model, it definitely will sell like hotcakes or even sell out. It is available to buy as of tomorrow, and I have left the link for it in the description box below this video. So guys, what do you think of HONOR's latest upgraded MagicBook? Do share your thoughts in the comment box below. Are you tempted to buy? Will you be recommending it to friends and family? I look forward to reading your answers, and if you do have any burning questions, jot them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer those too. I am currently playing with the HONOR MagicBook Pro, so if you do want to see a video on it or have any questions regarding it, do jot them down in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, kindly do hit that like button below. Be sure to comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my latest videos, giveaways, etc. Until the next one, guys, stay safe, take care, bye.
The place gotta drag me out.